Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to do a minimalist makeup during monsoon season by using Sugar Cosmetics products. Here, I'm focusing on using less number of products to create a simple, long-lasting makeup look. The first thing I'm using is a moisturizing sunscreen. It's called Citrus Got Real and it has 30 SPF. It does not leave any white cast on the skin, moisturizes the skin and protects it from harmful sun rays without making the skin greasy. For my base, I'm going to use a BB cream. It's called Goddess of Flawless. The shade I'm using is Cortado. The best thing about this BB cream is that it gives good amount of coverage, but it is very lightweighted in comparison to any foundation, so you can use it every day. Besides, applying this BB cream is very easy. You can apply it with your fingers. It has a very smooth, moussey texture, so you do not need to make too much effort to apply it. Also, 2-3 minutes after application, it sets into matte finish. So for monsoon season, it is definitely something that you can keep in your bag. Now after applying the base, you need to set it with a powder. I'm using Sugar's translucent powder. A translucent powder is very much lightweighted. It does not give any coverage. It just sets the face, makes it matte without drying the skin. Now I'll move on to my eyebrows and I'll be using Arch Arrival Brow Definer in the shade Felix Onyx. This pencil is very easy to use. That makes it best for the beginners. If you are going to achieve a simple makeup look, make sure that your eyebrows look as natural as possible. For that purpose, a pencil like this one is very useful. Now moving on to my face makeup, I'm using Sugar's Contour the Force face palette. This palette has all the 3 colors we need to define and shape our face. The shade that I have is called Subtle Summit. All the shades are very pigmented. The blusher gives a sunset look, the bronzer is cool toned, and the highlighter is a very light champagne shade. So I think this palette will look good on fair, medium and deep, all the skin tones. Here I'm using Sugar's dual-ended brush. On one side there is a stippling brush which I use to apply the blusher. On the other side there is a fluffy round brush which is helpful to apply bronzer. While doing a minimalist makeup, you do not need a very sharp contour. So to apply contour or bronzer, you can use a fluffy round brush like this one. If you want, you can apply nose contouring and you can use your fingers. Also, if you want to have a very flushed look, you can use your blush on the tip of your nose. Putting a little bit of highlighter on the tip and bridge of nose will make it look very cute and slim. Now it's a monsoon makeup, so we do not need a lot of highlighter on our faces. Good thing that this highlighter gives a very soft glow on the face, and you can use your finger to apply the highlighter on the highest points of your cheekbone. Highlighter can be also used on the inner corners of your eyes and on the brow bone to make your eyes look bigger and lifted. Now, as I said before that I'm not gonna apply too many products to create this look, so I'm using the face palette to create my eye makeup for today. First, I use the blush shade on my eyelids, bringing it up high till my eyebrows. Now with the help of the contour shade, I'm defining the shape of my eyes and applying it on the outer corners. I'm also applying the contour shade on my lower lash line. Now I'll be applying Sugar's Kajal and I'm applying it on the outer corners mostly and dragging it towards the inner corner. I will also smudge the outer corner with the help of a small brush. When you apply Kajal, try to smudge it out. It will give a very nice smoky look. To draw a wing liner, I'm using Sugar's Graphic Gem Liner. This is absolutely waterproof. It won't budge for the whole day. Also, the brush is very thin, so you can apply a very thin line close to your lash line. For mascara, I'm using Sugar's Lash Mob Mascara. This one is smudge proof and it gives nice length and volume to your lashes. Now for my lip color, I'm using Nothing Else Matter Longwear Lipstick. This lip color is very pigmented, but for this makeup look, I just need a very minimum dash of color. So I'm only dabbing my lips with my finger. And then I also applied the bronzer shade on the top of my lips to make it look more matte and nude. So this was my minimal makeup tutorial for this monsoon. Do try this look if you have to go out in a hurry but you still want to put some makeup on. So that's all for today. Like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.